We're talking a minute ago about many things going on around Siouxland this weekend, a chance for folks to get out and enjoy the community, but they'll want to think about some ways to stay cool.
Yeah, maybe one of those little fan bottles that sprays water, because it's going to be a hot one this weekend. We'll be seeing that, taking a look out from Wayne right now. It's just looking very nice out there. We're seeing blue skies, a little bit of cloud coverage, and courts that look pretty good, either basketball, tennis, or the football field, as it looks like there's plenty of people still in Wayne with temperatures in the upper 70s. Feels like of low 80s and humidity over 60% still, as we see south-southeastern winds at 10 miles per hour in the Gateway Airport, reporting us as clear and sunny as temperatures are in the 70s and 80s. You'll see 82 in Bloomfield and 83 in Norfolk. Earlier, Yankton was at 83 as well, but they've cooled off slightly as traveling through eastern Siouxland. We'll see a couple more 70s like Orange City and in Sheldon up along Highway 60, as we see 80s in Sac City with dew points in the 60s and 70s. So we'll be dropping close to this overnight. Could be seeing a little bit of saturation and maybe a little bit of light patchy fog, as well as we'll be seeing that heat indice values are pushed up by about 2 to 3 degrees across most of the region. So only gaining a little bit and not affecting us too much, making it just feel like the seasonal conditions that we should be at. But we'll be seeing that at least there's a bit of a southern breeze to help us out with 17-mile-per-hour winds in Bloomfield and in Yankton. We've settled here in Sioux City, as earlier we had 16-mile-per-hour winds and 20-mile-per-hour gusts. Now you just see a 22-mile-per-hour gust in Sioux Falls, and the rest of Siouxland under 20. So we're starting to get a little bit quieter, but once we do get quieter, we'll be seeing that a heat advisory is in effect for Sunday. So not for Saturday. We're looking a few days ahead as it encompasses all of Siouxland, kicking into effect in 1 p.m. on Sunday. Other than Emmett County, they're out of it, but they'll still be feeling pretty hot, as we'll be seeing that heat indice values are going to be in the 80s and 90s already by the morning hours of Sunday. And as we progress through the afternoon, we'll be seeing feels like above 100 degrees all across Siouxland, with a few spots like over in Yankton, Vermilion, and Sioux City getting close to 110. So real scorcher of weather, as we'll see that right now. Clouds continue to stream out of the forecast region with sunshine and blue skies, as we have had a little bit of activity building up over in Wyoming. In the western portions of Nebraska, starting to see more storm development, where there was marginal severe thunderstorm chances out there. But we'll see that as these showers make their way further east, they slacken, fall apart, and we just see some light showers for the morning hours of Saturday as it continues with a little bit more activity through southern portions of Iowa and then eastern Missouri, as we see that line of showers and storms move out and conditions that look a little bit clearer and quieter, though some storms do try to develop by Scottsbluff and North Platte again, that travel north and then dissipate. So we're still sitting a little bit drier here in Siouxland with rain totals that will be looking pretty light across the region. Still expecting under 1/4 of an inch across the area, as temperatures overnight tonight will be in the mid-60s, as we see southeast winds between 5 to 10 miles per hour, and temperatures tomorrow that rise to the upper 80s and low 90s with clearing skies and just overall warmer conditions, as humidity values will aid in pushing heat indices up into the upper 90s. We'll see 90s on Saturday and mid-90s on Sunday. That'll feel like 100 and more as we do begin to cool off once we see some more showers on Monday. And then we see that conditions fall closer towards a more seasonal pattern as we start to see some more clouds and showers popping up again. So Tim, we continue to see quite a few rain chances in Siouxland, but they'll come after some sweltering heat that we're seeing over the next few days.